the laureate World Sportsman of the Year, Lionel Messi. Enhorabuena, tío. Tengo que decir algo antes.
Siempre lindo.
Lionel Messi, the best player of the year, and of course this is just one among of the great tournament, and it's due to the cutters of the La Liga's awards as Messi has won the best player of the year, and it's just incredible, fantastic, and unbelievable. And Messi says it's nice to win this award. It's a very fantastic, closure and impressive one, and he's just looking forward to help his national team. He's just looking forward to help the team in different situations. Of course, Messi loves more Argentina national team. Messi loves more PSG football club. Messi loves more football. That's why he used to say that he is just working. He is just playing football for the purpose of entertaining the fans, and it's just his work. Fantastically, Lionel Messi has become one among the incredible and the historical player in the world of football, as he has won so many titles. He has won so many awards, and this time around here he receives an award so that he is just the best player of the FIFA tournament, and in